Greetings. In this video I'm going to do a quick review and an unboxing of the GZAir electrochemical CO carbon monoxide detector. And the one reason I got this is because I'm going to be traveling a lot during the wintertime in my minivan. I might be camping out or staying in my vehicle at rest stops or overnight. And a lot of times it'll have snow. I might be using a small space heater or do small little cooking in my minivan. So I wanted to protect myself from carbon monoxide and gas and to have something in my vehicle that would let me know. But I'd also wanted something portable and that's something that wasn't too big. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. And like I said, it's got an electrochemical sensor on it. And one thing I noticed on Amazon, it had a lot of positive reviews. People seem to like the portability of it and the quality of it. I know the electrochemical sensor is made in Japan, and Japan is known for really good quality. And it does take the CR2032 batteries, the little batteries that you would use in your key fobs. That's used in the majority of key fobs and electronics. These are easy to get. You can get them for less than $5 off of Amazon as well. So it comes with the battery, the CR2032 battery itself. But in case, 10 months down the road or however long the battery lasts, you can replace it. So, as you can see there, it's about 3 inches tall, very lightweight. That's the back. This is where you would put the CR2032 battery in there. And I like it because you can put it over your visor or just hang it somewhere in your vehicle. And it does come with this protective shell on it, as you can see. And it's got a 3M tape on the back, so you can just put it on the side of the door or wherever. That's pretty cool. So to turn it on, you just hold that power button down for 3 seconds. And what it's going to do is it's going to show CR on that. That means the concentration or caliber levels. And what's going to happen within 5 minutes, this will show like a 0 to show that there's no zero carbon monoxide. If that's the case, it'll show the actual degrees that it goes up to. I think the harmful levels get up to like 15 to 30. That knows when you have harmful levels. Preferably you want 0 on there, and then it's going to show like a little battery indicator to show how much battery that you have left. That way you know, hey, it's time to change my batteries, and that'll always give you that indicator. So we're going to let this thing caliber. So like I said, the main reason I'm getting this is because I'm going to be traveling a lot. And originally I got a CO carbon monoxide detector that looks like this that you would mount on your wall in your home. Well, as you can see, there's a huge difference in weight and size. So I'm thinking, I don't want to be carrying around with this in my vehicle. First of all, it's ugly, and I'm afraid that it's going to get dropped and it's going to be in covers and it's not going to be able to detect CO when I need it to. This, on the other hand, is super lightweight. You can just put this over your visor or on the side of your vehicle. I like the portability and size of this a lot better. So there are tons of stories out there where people are getting carbon monoxide poisoning in their vehicle. They'll be in the winter and it's snowing and they might just be resting in their car temporarily. They might be snowed into their vehicle for whatever reason, and the snow will actually go up over the exhaust, and what's going to happen is the carbon monoxide has nowhere to go except into the vehicle because the exhaust is covered up with snow. Alright, so that shows the caliber, and of course it shows that I have 0 carbon monoxide in the room that I'm in. And of course that will go up if it detects carbon monoxide. And of course it has the alarm on it when it reaches a dangerous level. So back to my story, what will happen is the snow will go up above the exhaust, and people, carbon monoxide is odorless. It's not detectable. Carbon monoxide is odorless. Carbon monoxide is odorless. You can't smell it. You can't see it. And what will happen is it'll make you fall asleep, and then all of a sudden you're not in the world any longer. And there's stories of teenagers, and there's stories of people, primarily teenagers, going in garages, closing the garage, listening to music while their car is idling, and they don't realize they fall asleep. And what will happen is the carbon monoxide will actually, go into the garage, right? It has nowhere to escape. And then the loved one will pass away. Well, if you put this in your teenager's car, then they'll always be protected in case they're in a garage or wherever. So the GZAir is definitely going to be my go-to when I'm traveling in my minivan. I would highly recommend you get one. I'd give it a 10 out of 10. I like the sleekness of it, the portability of it, the quality of it, and I think it's definitely a go out and get it. I'll put a link in the comments section where you can get one, and make sure you subscribe.